Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with illuminated star on the grille, 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, silk beige MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim, panorama sunroof, GLC 300, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation with voice command, surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for the different driving patterns. This GLC has 28,027 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.